Hello, Jenny from Harmony Head Wraps here, and today I want to do a tutorial on my Super Tails Sari tie that you've seen me do in the last week or so. And what it is, I like to do it with a really quite a busy sari, so lots of small patterns, because it just really adds to the volume and the texture that's going on. Saris are great for doing textured wraps, and I'm just starting to play around with them. So both ends of the scarf are out in tails of broadly the same length, and I've actually accessorised this one with a clip. So I'm going to take this off and I'm going to show you what I've done. So what I've got on the underneath is I've just got a solid colour scarf in a basic regal wrap. This is a sapphire sparkle, and you're going to do the ends of the scarf in about 1/3, 2/3. And I'm not going to cover the back, so you are going to end up with a, you're just going to be seeing the back of your plain scarf at the back. I'm not doing anything clever to bring it up here, because you need both the tails on this side. So what you're going to do is you want to take the short side, so you want the short side on the opposite side to where you want your tails. So I want my tails on my right, so I've got my shorter tail on my left, and you're going to bring the shorter tail over the top of the longer tail, and then you're going to bring it under and up. So you're tying a knot, but you want the top of the knot to be the shorter tail, because you want to be getting a little bit of height here. You don't want the tails to be coming out from here, you're going to want them to be coming out from just here. So you got this, and you're basically doing sort of a beginner's luck, but different. So then I'm going to bring this over here like this, and I'm going to actually put it to the back, because I really like this sort of slightly different strip here. And then I'm going to bring it over here. I'm going to pull the back rail tight so it doesn't poik up at the back. And yeah, you can see we've got broadly the same length here. Now, in a beginner's luck, what you would do is you would bring the back, you would bring this short tail round the front and then pull it to the back and then tuck it away. So that's a beginner's luck. But in this, you're going to be doing the opposite, because you want all the texture to be at the front. So you bring the side over, you're going to you're going to bring this short tail around the front, across to the back, and then tie it through. So you've tied a knot like that, and then you end up with this height, and you can arrange it how you want it, and you just end up with all of this texture. And if you do it slightly better than me, you will end up with them all exactly the same length. There we go. And there you go. This is my Super Tails Sari wrap. It's nice and quick and easy. And yeah, we would love to see your pictures and see how you get on with it. Here's my pin. I'm not going to put the pin on the picture, but just putting a little pin on can just really set it off if you like to do that. So there you go. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.